Good morning. Today we have to discuss about the topic in the marketing management, that is promotion mix. The promotion mix topic is a very important and very useful to the marketing management concepts. So one of my student is going to ask the doubt, what is promotion mix and how it is useful to the marketing management. So in this purpose I have to take this class now. First we should discuss about what is the definition of promotion mix. We need to know what is the promotion, what is the promotion mix, how it is useful to the marketing management. So now the promotion mix refers to the blend of several promotion tools used by the business to create, maintain and increase the demand for goods and services. Here the marketing management, the managers are always going to discuss about after completion of the manufacturing of the products. The marketing people are going to discuss about how could we promote the product into market. For the promotion of this product into the market, we have to use the different tools for promote the product into market. So it is very important thing to develop the business. So in that promotional mix, we have to use the different tools which are useful to the marketing development. In that we have different steps are there for promoting the product, that is called a promotion mix. In that the promotion mix is the integration of advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relationship and direct marketing. All these are the tools to promote the product. So now we have to discuss each and everything individually now. First one, advertising. As you all know about what is advertising, we are always observe when we have to see the paper, and we have to observe when we have to go for movies. There we have find lot of advertisements which are giving some explanation towards the product. These are the features of my product has. So you can use this very useful to the customers. Like we have to give advertisements to promote the product. It is one of the best tool to promote the product. And also the promotion is going to attract the sponsors. The sponsor is always giving a lot of sponsorships to the different companies. So by only advertising, we should know the product which they have manufactured in the some organization. It is useful to the people well. Next, personal selling. This is one of the traditional form of personal tools wherein the salesman interact with the customer directly. As you all know that personal selling is concerned, the customer is going to approach the shop. There the seller is going to interact with the people. The people wants to buy the product, the seller is going to interact. This is the product we have to sell here, it is very useful to them, to you sir, please buy this. Like we have to interact directly, that is called personal selling. And next, sales promotion. This is a very crucial step in every organization and every marketing management situation. This is called the sales promotion is a short term incentive gives to the customers to have increased sales for given period. Generally the sales promotion scheme is floated in the market at the time of festivals or the end of the season. As you all know that the marketing people always look forward and uh, look for the situation to improve the sales, like festivals and seasons, like summer, winter. According to the seasons, they have to improve their sales. Which season is suitable for them, that season is going to use by the marketing people to improve their sales. And also festivals, at the time of festivals they have to go for sales promotion, and they have interact with the customers directly to sell the products. Next, public relation. It is also very important thing, because when we have the marketing people always going to think about how could we improve the public relationship. The marketing is always depends on the public relations. When we have the public relation well to our company, the people are always look for where is the our desired products are there, where our products are going to sell. Like the people are going to addict towards our product. That means we have to go, we have to mingle with the people, public, to maintain good relations to buy our product. Okay, simply called, the marketing is always depends on the public relationship. That relationship is going to maintain with the public well to distribute the products good and quality. And also we have to interact with them to give a lot of sponsors and give the distribution share stakeholders. We have to provide the shares. Like these are the very important tools for maintain good public relationship to the society. Next, direct marketing. This is called the direct marketing is involved without any intermediaries. The third person or intermediaries, wholesalers, there are no any of the any person into this marketing system. Directly we have to approach the company and we have to buy the products through mails, through text messages, observe the paper messages. All these are useful to us, and we have to go through the shops and we have to buy that. That is called direct marketing. All these are the tools of promotion to improve the or to promote the product well in any organization and any marketing people. Okay, this is the very important topic. You should go through this and you can get it well and read well and know about what is you can understand what is the promotion mix. Thank you.